let you take home 6 yeast rolls now.
Whenever you dine there?
That mess?
I guess so.
Let's pack it and stack it. Then let's ask ourselves, why did we do this? Let's do this. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. 66 quart latching totes now just $6.88 each.
I hear you're looking to switch TV providers.
I'm trying to find
Welcome to a great value. Pretty sexy DirecTV, but your average customer ends up paying $111.74 per month. With Dish's everyday low price, my average customer spends $30 per month less. That's savings of $360 per year compared to DirecTV.
So the longer you stay,
The more you save.
that's better value.
Makes sense to stick with Dish. There is nothing you can do to stop me. You'll realize that you never want to get locked in cage with me again. You have to respect very little cases of violence in the life. Come on. You hate me now. Come on, people. But I won't stop. No, let me know.
Steady rain continues in Pasadena, and we will have a downfall of great football to ring out 2014. Here's Eve on ESPN. Here's 6 games, Ole Miss and TCU in the Peach, Boise and Arizona in the Fiesta, and then we'll cap it off Capital and Orange, Mississippi State and Georgia Tech. We're here in Pasadena 2 days before the game. No sweat day. That's what Oregon does 2 days before the game. They'll ramp it up a little bit more the day before they play. I see a lot of sweat on those fat offensive linemen here. Well, they sweat no matter what. Florida State goes a little harder, and they'll walk through tomorrow. No, they're not going to deal with the finesse bunch. That's what Oregon said.
When we go out there, we dominate the line of scrimmage in the pass game or the run game on defense. So where this talk from, oh, they're not physical, they're a finesse team, like we're fast and we spread out, but we can play with anybody.
They have a few players that line up in the backfield that are able to go 6 for a touchdown at any given moment. They have two to three different running backs. Some are speed, some are power, and you definitely have to know who's back there so you know what you're getting.
And Mario Edwards, he knows he probably covered a little bit. He doesn't want to be covered. Deep 15, 21, 44 in coverage. Look out, here comes the duck. Oregon's offense against the Florida State defense against Power 5. And Oregon has been splendid. Their offense has 71 touchdown drives. That's the most in the country. The Florida State defense has been good in the clutch. 25, and that's necessarily right at the top of the statistics. Now, Florida State has played teams that try to go fast before. They did so on this field last year in the championship game against Auburn. They played Clemson the last couple of years. What impact will Oregon trying to go fast tempo have on Florida State's defense?
I don't think they'll have any impact. Florida State's defense hasn't stopped anybody this year. They've struggled all year long. The good thing about their defense, you can look at them and say, is in the second half they've been good and in red zone opportunities. But this is a defense that has struggled. And I think when you talk about going to this Oregon offense, they have struggled. It doesn't matter who's at offensive line. Playmakers in and out. They've been effective. Mariota, one of the best quarterbacks in college football. Oregon's going to get theirs, in my opinion.
No, I agree with you. I think when you look at Florida State, they've had so many busts throughout the season because they have a new a defensive coordinator. When you have a new coordinator, sometimes it takes a while for the players to understand the expectations of the coordinator and then get on the same page. They've made great second half adjustments where they can ill afford to get behind early against this Oregon Ducks offense because once they get rolling, they're extremely difficult to stop. Just like David said, they're not going to have one of the best quarterbacks in college football. They have the Heisman Trophy winner at the quarterback position, Marcus Mariota. He's a different animal, a quarterback that this defense has never seen the likes of throughout the season. So this is going to be a special defensive effort if they're going to stop Oregon Ducks. Both defenses have the talent to deal with the Heisman Trophy quarterback and Mason Case.
I don't care if it's left or not.
New era of the Rose Bowl, the semifinal game in the college football playoff. Just a couple of days away from that. Continue to get you ready for this and also the semifinal game in the Sugar Bowl in New Orleans. Then we also have the second half to go between Georgia and Louisville. The Bulldogs are up by 13. Look at that freshman. Nick Scott.
God, a freshman.
Oh, no.
Energizer Max batteries with